Hello everyone. So I wanted to show my new project, which is LocalChat. So basically, what I wanted to do was, let's say ChatGPT and all these LLMs are there, but I don't want to share my data with them. I want it to be completely private, so that I have like the data is with me. So what I wanted to do was I love local LLMs, like I've tried out Ollama and all those things, but the problem with those is even with Open Web UI, you are not able to completely use them. And I wanted to make something that would like show that I have LLM context and that I can build on top of it. So this is my version of it. So this is my GitHub repo. There are two things that I've created. One is local chat and then TTS SCT. The TTS SCT, I'll just explain that first. So basically, it's a speech server. So if you, the need for this came from the need for local chat. So what I wanted to do that you understand, like in Chat GPT, we can have a mic. When you click on that, you'll be able to record your voice and send that to the LM, and then it basically has that as a dictation thing. So that's what one thing that I wanted to add, and the other thing was that the read aloud feature. So once the LLM has responded, I wanted it to be able to respond back to me. So that's these two features are done using the speech server. So it has these APIs that I've written in Fast API. The first is speech to text, which uses the Whisper open model. So basically that's for that, and the other is text to speech. Text to speech uses the Kokoro open source model, which like so that it can talk to me back. So the way that have this setup is I have spun this up as Docker containers. So I have created Docker files. So you guys can as well do that, and that's for the text to speech stuff. So the coming to the main app is local chat. Basically, you can this is like open web UI, but you are able to chat, have reasoning, everything here. So let's just go directly into it. So what I've created is the basically a parser script which will when you double click it, I have a link for it here. So basically, like it look more formal. So when you do that, it starts up your Docker desktop, starts up all the containers, and for searching, I have added SearXNG, which like you can use multiple search engines for free of cost using your resources. So Google, Bing, DuckDuckGo, all of these can be in one thing, which I can do that. So if I wanted to enable search, I've used that. So it starts up all the containers that are needed, like PTS, STT server, CRXNG. CAD is a reverse proxy for that, and so on. And the Ollama and all those they also get started, and then it starts up my local chat container. So at the end, it started up at 3001. So when we come here, if the Ollama is off, then it will give you an error that your Ollama is not running. Please run that. And here, all the models that are currently installed on your Ollama will be listed out. So it also is smart enough that if you don't have vision, so you are not able to upload images, and it also shows you which are reasoning models. So this one is a reasoning model, so it shows that up. And in this, I am also able to upload images, and not just upload, like I can also add screenshots. So let me just come here. Yeah, so you can talk to it. What is the screenshot attached about? And you can paste it or upload it, whatever suits your fancy. And then this is just your basic chat experience. And I've selected the vision one, so it shows that as I can upload the images, and also it gives me the reasoning thing. So yeah, it's giving me the entire thing. Then this is a nice thing, and then you can see that it has not stopped generating. After it has generated, I have added the title generation for each chat. So like we have a good chat, same as ChatGPT, and so this is there. And then the next feature. So basically, this is your entire basic LLM chatting. So this is good. Then the other thing is you can turn off CRXNG search, or Yeah, so basically, first I'll show up the SST and TTS. So what I can do is when I click on this, I'll be able to speak to the LLM and have that message over here. So, hello, my name is Varun Patkar, and I'm trying out the local chat, Whisper and Kokoro models. So yeah, this is my voice. And when I stop, like click on that, so it sends that recording to the TTS model in the backend, and then we should have the yeah. So uh, it basically wrote down, transcripted whatever I said using Whisper model, using that TTS folder thing. I have that as a Docker container as well. I'll just show you Docker TS. So yeah, I have these running. I'll just make this a bit more. Yeah, so I have local chat, which is the app, TTS HTTP server, so that is also running. SearXNG is for search, and Caddy and Redis are Caddy is the reverse proxy, and Redis is used for hosting. So these are the Docker containers that are currently running, and yeah, you'll need a good computer for this. So basically, the memory usage is because of Chrome, but I have currently not been because I have a AMD GPU. So I'm doing so Ollama uses the GPU, but the STT and TTS are not able to do that because they need NVIDIA GPUs. So I'm currently hosting them off my CPU. Yeah, so this is there. So when I send it, uh, I'll get the standard LLM response for this, and yeah, so we can see the yeah. Yeah, and it has this as a context as well. So basically, if you ask like what is 2 plus 3 and then add 1 to it, so it will have context to a previous one. Yeah, and then this is the new feature. So you can click on read aloud, which uses the text to speech model, Kokoro. And yeah, so yeah, I'll just show it here. Yeah, it takes a bit of time.
Hello, Varun. It's great to meet you. You're using LocalChat, a fantastic Ollama powered interface with voice input via Whisper, so your voice is now part of the conversation. If you're testing voice input, just speak naturally. LocalChat uses Whisper for transcription, large language model refinement. Need help with anything specific, like analyzing images, uploading files, or even stopping mid generation? How can I assist you today? Or just say, hey, LocalChat, show me my voice history. If you want to dive deeper,
Yeah, so we can see that it's not perfect because like I wanted to actually put this in an LLM and then get back the output, but that was take and generate a phonetic output because what happens here is we have emojis and these, so it's not completely able to capture the basically voice response. So I wanted to send this to an LM, but that was taking a lot of time, and like non-reasoning models were not that particularly good. So yeah, so we I just manually removed all the emojis here, and then it's able to talk on that. So yeah, this is the feature for this. Then I'll just show you the search feature. So I have the SearXNG online. So when I click on this, it sends a test message there, and then it glows green. So basically, yeah. So Fabric launched a new feature. IQ. Yeah. What is IQ in Microsoft Fabric? How is ontology connected to it? Yeah, so this is with the search. So when I have it enabled, it will start making these searches to CRXNG, and once it has a good enough confidence, so yeah, so basically it will start the generation on that. Yeah, so it perform these two searches, and then it's reasoning on top of those and giving back the output. If I don't have search, I'll tell you like what's the difference. Yeah, so this is a new IQ feature which is being added. So they are adding that and then the ontology. So, but the LLM does not know about this. It's external to it. So yeah, just let it generate this one. Yeah. So once this is done, it's still not completely generating. It's going to create a title for this one. Traffic IQ ontology. So now if I go to a new chat and turn off this and give the same question, it does not know what IQ is. It does not know what ontology is. So yeah, it will just give a random response. Yeah, it does not completely understand what is. Yeah, so it's saying does not use the term ontology, but it's because it's a new feature. It's a new thing that has not been basically introduced here. It is not aware of it. So I'll just let it generate this one as well. And it's LLM, so it can make mistakes. So uh, that is also a problem with the newer LLMs. It's still generating the title. Yeah, so we can see the difference here. So if we come here, it is able to understand what ontology is. It's a new thing, which is schema metadata or data model. So it is able to know what is there on the internet using the search processing. So that's what I wanted to show now. So the future things that I wanted to integrate into this were, and yeah, so you can also upload any of your text files, uh, uh, like code files here, and also images. Like I showed, you can either directly copy paste them or upload them via this. So that's the entire thing. Let me just try this out. Like I'm using a mask for this. So let me see if it can pick it up. What else? Image show. Yeah, it's able to answer on this. Yeah, I was just kind of curious what it would answer on that. And so we can see it's able to talk back and forth with us. And yeah, it's a great new tool. So I wanted to add more features to it, like adding the fact that it can making it a mobile app and then connecting different services like ChatGPT, Claude, and all those. And that's what I wanted to present today. Yeah, thank you for your time. Thank you for. You can also try this out, like try this out project using your Docker things, and you'll need a good beefy computer, like have a good CPU configuration, and yeah, you'll be able to use this. Thank you.